Is your hosting or site looking a little static, a bit boring? You know, like it just sits there without any life? That is a super common problem, and honestly it hurts because your content might be great, but if there is no movement, people just scroll right past it. The good news is, I am going to show you how to add animations in under 2 minutes. By the end of this video, you will have a dynamic animated site that actually grabs attention and makes people stop and look. Alright, so here is the plan. I am going to walk you through the exact clicks you need to make inside the hosting or builder. We will start from a blank canvas, open the styling panel, and then I will show you how to apply different highlight animations. I will even show you the preview mode so you can see everything working live. It is really straightforward, so let us just jump right in. To start, you want to go to a new empty page inside your hosting or website builder. This is the perfect spot to practice because there is nothing else on the screen to distract you. Think of it as your blank canvas to experiment on. So just open up a fresh page in your builder. Now that you have that blank page up, look over to the left-hand sidebar. You are going to see a bunch of options, and the one we care about is labeled Styles. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up the styling panel, which is kind of like the control center for how your page looks and feels. It is where all the visual magic happens. Once you are inside the Styles panel, you should see a few different tabs. Look for one that says Animations and click on it. This is the specific area where you get to add motion to your elements. It is kind of exciting because this is the step that transforms your page from flat to fun. So here is where we actually start picking the animations. You will see a list of different effects, and the first one we want is called Highlight. It is usually near the top. Just click on that to select it. This effect will make whatever element you have selected sort of glow or pop on the screen. It is a great entry-level animation. Now scroll down just a little bit more in that same list, and you will see another option also labeled Highlight. Yes, there are multiple versions of it. This second highlight has a slightly different style or timing. Click on that one. You are essentially building a mix of effects for different parts of your page. Let us keep going. Scroll down again to find the third highlight option. Click on that one too. You are not just sticking with one boring effect, you are layering them across your page to create variety and keep the viewer interested. And finally, scroll down one more time to find the fourth highlight option. Click on that to apply it. Now you have a handful of different animations stacked up, ready to go. The page is really starting to come to life, even if you cannot quite see it yet. This is the big moment. To actually see what you have done, you need to use Preview mode. Look up at the top right corner of the Builder interface for a button that says Preview or a little eye icon. Click on that. This will open your website in a new tab and show you exactly how it looks to a visitor. Watch as the elements slide, fade, or highlight as you scroll. That is the payoff. You can scroll up and down to see all 4 highlight effects working together. It might take just a second to load, but then you will see it, and that is it. Seriously. You went from a static, lifeless page to a dynamic experience in just a couple of minutes. Animations are one of the easiest ways to make your site feel more professional and engaging. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe for more quick tips like this. I will see you in the next one.